How to unsync Instagram from Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unsync your Instagram account from your Facebook account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Go to your profile. Tap on menu. Then tap on settings. Tap on account. Open sharing to other apps. Here you will see what other apps you have connected to your Instagram to. To unsync from Facebook, tap on Facebook. Turn off automatically sharing stories and posts. And if you want to disconnect Facebook from Instagram, tap on the Account Center. Tap on Accounts. Tap on Remove. Tap on Continue. Tap on Remove your Facebook account. So that's how you can unlink your Instagram from Facebook.